Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. Which of the following is the next term in the series? So Y, V, T, Q, O, L, J. So let's see, we have this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's see Y, after which V is written, after which T, then Q. So if we look at it, two letters are left first, then only one is left, then two are left. The next has to be O, where only one letter is left, and the next letter is correct. So next letter should be L, which is also correct. Next letter should be J, which is also correct. So after that, we will have to leave these two letters and the letter in the pattern will be G. Therefore, according to pattern, next member is G. Therefore,